All right, y'all. We're going to pick up a little mini Coleman bike, right?
Yeah, it said it's got like a jetted carb. You know, it's got some stage 2 exhaust. Guy's probably yapping low key.
It's in Hemet.
Yeah, it's in Hemet.
Hemet.
Cause like all those motherfuckers are swinging on meth.
Yeah, so we're a little sketched out. We're getting it for like what, 460?
Yeah, he asked 600, but like I'm the master negotiator, and like I talked that shit down hella. He said 600. I hit him with 425. He hit me with 500. I said 450. He said 475, and I hit him with 460. 230 each. So yeah.
Durability test.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to test that shit out.
Compared to my 250 dirt bike.
Yeah, obviously it's gonna be slower than a 250.
How about like we'll just like we're gonna jump it.
We're gonna jump it? Where at though?
I don't know what spot.
Okay. Like you're jumping it.
Yeah. Like I was gonna.
Yeah, touch it.
I was playing.
Like if I jump it, the frame snaps.
I don't have a fucking dash cam.
This is the dash cam. Yes, we're turning around, bro, and we're gonna set it right there. And we're just gonna have it posted up. Like that way, if we get fucking murdered, it's on camera.
Let's hope that doesn't happen. What, a little knife?
I have that exact same knife, guys, but like I lost it, so like this is my knife.
What if he's got a cat?
If he's got a cat, like we're cooked.
Like, and he's like, give me your truck.
He's like, "Give me your truck." Like I'm gonna be honest, looking like you're giving him the truck. Like the truck's his. We're riding back home on the fucking mini bike together.
No, we don't even get the mini bike, bro. We're like, and then the fucking camera's in here.
No, and then all of a sudden he's like, what the fuck is this?
What's that button on the top?
What's that knocking on the fucking car?
Dude, that's my drive shaft up and down. I don't know.
No, that's terrible.
Yeah, it's like, I feel like my shit's gonna break in like a second. Oh, fuck.
Ugh. Car sounds like ass.
It does what I'm saying.
Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna come out and I'll be like, man, the combobulator's attacked.
The flux capacity.
Nah, bro, I'm about to just start bullshitting my way into like a $400 mini bike. Look, you know what they say, right?
Save a horse, ride, come.
Yo, what?
What the fuck?
No, like, yo, if you wear,
Brokeback Mountain.
what? Wear the hat, you gotta. Slam in the back of this Jeep Gladiator.
I can take him. I'll off-road him.
No, he's definitely out off-roading.
It's a girl.
What was that look? You made like a look, you're like, damn, it's a girl.
I was like, it's a girl, like we're like,
nah, and then you made
good.
a face after.
I was, yeah, like
Chat, he made a face after, I swear. Hey, we'll roll the tapes. We'll roll the tapes. We'll see, bro. This motherfucker made a face.
I did.
Nah, he did. Nah, you 100% did.
I did not, bro.
I'm literally, bro, I'm about to get this mini bike for $400.
You're gonna negotiate him down?
Bro, I'm gonna be like, bro, like, this is fucking broken.
It's gonna be new tires.
Nah, bro, like, look at the fucking tires, bro. Like, bro, like, at least can you come down like $50, like 410? And then I'm keeping whatever I get left over.
What do you mean you're keeping?
Like, you already sent me your $230. I'm gonna get the bike for $230. I'm gonna make profit.
Nah, I forget to wipe my flat. Like Mac from like Lightning McQueen.
What? Did I forget to wipe my mud flaps?
What's this guy doing, bro?
Bro's literally in the middle of the fucking lane, bro.
Bro, he's just stopped.
Bro's literally, bro, the lanes are like this, guys, and he's like this.
Bro, that shit, he's still there, bro.
It was a twin moment.
Jinx. Okay. Okay. Yo, look at that shit. Yo. Man, look at these houses though.
That's crazy, bro. People worked hard for these.
By selling what, meth? Selling fucking marijuana.
Alright, we text him we're here.
And he said he went to the fucking store. So like, look at the houses that we're dealing with, guys. Like I said before,
This is the house over here.
it's a little bit nicer, guys. Watch out.
We pulled into the driveway, then we came to this side, hopped up the curb, because this place has no sidewalk, so we'll see when he gets here.
We did it, guys. Bag secured.
What do we think about that?
It's a little bit, I'm gonna be honest, guys, like it's a little clapped, but
So this is what we're working with. Got the exhaust. Show them the exhaust. Good boy.
got the exhaust right here. It's gonna go right there, kind of like that.
Little straight pipe on that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your filter is way too fucking big, bro.
Not like you just gotta put it around the entire thing, just like that. Not like it'll work. Like you just go like that and tighten it.
Just duct tape it, dude.
Nah, for real. This is like the heat wrap that it came with. People said to watch out, it's like fiberglass. So I put on gloves.
Okay. Got her jacked up.
This guy. This is my new impact, guys. I got a new impact. It's pretty good. Milwaukee, you know. Can he help you? But then this will like keep us from getting burnt. But then we'll just get fucking fiberglass shards in our leg. Like, go ahead, rub your hand on it. No balls, you won't.
No, I'm not doing that, bro.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? You take that fucking glove off.
Bro, I
of
already
me.
have fucking fiberglass like stuck my fucking arm.
Exactly. Why the fuck would I put fiberglass in your fucking pillow, dude?
That's not funny. Oh, what the fuck?
That's what it looks like now.
This guy just backed into me, bro.
Bro, I was trying to get the fucking camera angle.
It's good.
Should we start her up?
Hold up, bro.
Hold up. This guy's...
It's blown.
Scammed us. We've been pulling this, taking turns for like 20 minutes.
And then like I go and look and like the kill switch is off. So like now it's on.
It's on, so like
Let's see if it pulls for a start this time. Sounding more promising, guys.
let's get a little gas now.
And we got her started, guys.
She's running good.
Tuned her up nice, you know what I'm saying?
right over there.
You were saying what? We're going through what?
The puddle that Eric went through. We're gonna do it. It just rained, so like it should be bigger. We got the mini bike in the back. We don't care. We're doing it.
You should go through the puddle on the mini bike.
If this video gets 100K likes, I will.
What the fuck? It'll never.
I know, that's why. Red Bull sponsor us.
Low-key, that'd be fire.
What? That's never
They'll
happened.
never, yeah. Unless we're like going through the puddle on a mini bike. No, I'm just kidding.
Somebody's over there.
You think so? Best part about this is if something breaks, like I don't have to worry about it. Like it's not my worry. Like obviously, like I'll feel bad and like I'll offer some help, but straight mud, bro. Last time I came, there was some serious fucking water, bro. There's like nothing. It's literally just fucking mud. It's thick mud though, so. And he doesn't have a lot of tread. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like this guy does not. Oh my god, it's smoking. And he hit that fucking box. Oh! Oh, somebody smells my shit. You fucking dick.
Dude, I hit hard, bro.
Nah,
Like,
you hit that box.
Oh my god. Oh, it's a big old sludge on my fucking
Oh my, yeah.
Dude, look under there, bro. Oh my god. Dude. That's not okay, bro. Not the fuck.
How are we feeling?
Feeling like, oh, fuck. Oh.
No, he fucking kicked his bumper. Guys, he kicked his bumper.
Oh my god, bro.
It's because you hit that fucking box.
No, dude. I didn't even mean to go over there, bro. He like slid. I guess I gotta buy a new front skid plate.
Do you have money for that? Where'd the fog lights go?
Brother.
Send it! This guy's not doing a donut. Let's hit his truck.
Alright, so we went back to my house, grabbed my dirt bike.
Got the little mini bike now. Oh. You put the choke on that.
No. Put that down.
guys. Like, I don't think this does it justice, but like, that's a steep hill for that little bike. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think he's gonna do it. Nah, he doesn't have enough power right now. No, he's not doing it. He's not doing it. Oh my God, he's doing it. Oh fuck! You're good though.
The bike's okay though. The bike like stayed up.
Like it
Yeah, like ejectocito.
Nah, for real. Oh my God, he's doing it. Hey, I mean, you got decently up there.
Yeah, we're like more than halfway, bro.
Nah, like 100%. But like, do you see that bump? That bump is what fucked you.
I hit that bump and I was like, ooh. Yeah. What was that?
Nah, for real.
Oh, the chain is.
Is it broken?
It's off. The chain's off, bro.
Oh.
Ooh.
What? You cut yourself?
I just touched the exhaust, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey. How are we feeling after that?
I'm feeling pretty good. I mean, I'm not the one that crashed.
You're what?
I said I'm feeling pretty good. Like, I'm not the one that crashed.
Yeah.
So.
Fucking fingers are hurting.